All right, so in this video, we're going to go through sample question 60 from the Society of Actuaries ExamP list of sample questions. The question reads, a recent study indicates that the annual cost of maintaining and repairing a car in a town in Ontario averages 200, with a variance of 260. The tax of 20% is introduced on all items associated with the maintenance and repair of cars. 20% of everything's made more expensive. So we have to calculate the variance of the annual cost of maintaining and repairing a car after tax is introduced. All right, this is a very easy, straightforward question. All it's testing you on is, do you know properties of variance? Okay, so it gives us the expected value of 200. Not at all something we need, not at all something that's necessary. So we're told variance of x, where let's say x is the cost of repairing a car, is equal to 260. And we need to find the variance of a 20% increase on this. So what would a 20% increase look like? That would be multiplying 1.2 to the x. Right? So we need to find this variance. Okay? I'm assuming all of you are familiar with doing a 20% increase. That's something you've been doing since middle school, I'm sure. Something where, here's the initial value, p, multiplied by 1 plus the rate. Right? In this case, the rate is 0.2. And that is how I get my initial amount times 1.2. All right. Now, how do we figure this out? This requires you to know one thing about variance. That, let's say I have the variance of some constant a times my random variable x. This is equal to a squared multiplied by the variance of x. There's a reason why this works. You can look up the proof. I'm sure it's in any material you're using to study. But this is a concept you need to be really familiar with for ExamP. I'm going to use it here. I'm going to bring the constant down, 1.2, square it, and multiply it by the variance of x. And that's 1.2 squared. The variance of x, as stated here, is 260. And all that's left for me to do is put that into my calculator. So 1.2 squared times 260, and I get 374.4, which very clearly lines up with answer choice E. Okay, so simple problem. All you have to know is this: variance of a constant multiplied by a random variable x is equal to the constant squared multiplied by the variance of x. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. I'll answer to the best of my abilities. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, because that totally helps me out. And if you want to see more videos like this, I got a playlist, adding more as fast as I can. But other than that, good luck, guys.